Welcome children to Ms. Ong's storytelling channel. This is a children's storytelling channel, cartoon genre, fairy tales, world fairy tales, fairy exploration. Ms. Ong was very happy to see the children again after a week of studying. This week, the storyteller Bee told the children a fairy tale. See it as a gift of life that the storyteller wants to give to the children. If you find the story interesting, please like and subscribe to the storyteller's channel. If you want to listen to the story again, don't be shy, go to Ms. B's channel and turn it on to listen, wishing the children to listen to fun stories. And now invite the children to listen to the story.
We invite you to listen to the story of The Piano Dream by author Thien V. In the remote suburbs, there is a small house under the hillside. Although the house is not large, it shows off its pure beauty. Every morning the house is covered with a green flower garden blending in with the morning light, tall green hibiscus rose, and blooming sunflowers, creating a poetic scene full of life. Behind the house is a large farm. On the farm, there are many lovely pigs and chickens. That house is where the girl and her family live. That girl has gentle black eyes and soft, vibrant hair of a girl who has just grown up, soft skin and petite body, with the pure beauty of a young woman. Her name is Chiongkechuyenchannel. Chiongkechuyenchannel is a beautiful, petite young girl full of enthusiasm and many dreams. Since childhood, she dreamed of becoming a top pianist in the world. Every night, by the window in a suburban room, under the dim moonlight, she sat at the piano and created beautiful melodies, inspiring and profound under the moonlight. The melodious sound of the piano and the cool breeze. Somewhere the sound of leaves rustling. The music of the autumn moon blends into the peaceful scene of the house. Every morning, Chiongkechuyenchannel family is busy with their work. Chiongkechuyenchannel also helps her parents with farm work such as taking care of cattle, pigs and sheep. Chiongkechuyenchannel spends the rest of her time studying the piano. Even though she went through many difficulties, Chiongkechuyenchannel never gave up her dream. She regularly performs at events and schools where she is still studying. However, Chiongkechuyenchannel is always envied and criticized by mean friends, who always say bad things about Chiongkechuyenchannel. However, there are also a few good friends who are always ready to help and support Chiongkechuyenchannel. Among them, the teacher with gray hair stands out, always silently helping Chiongkechuyenchannel. However, Chiongkechuyenchannel parents just want their daughter to finish college, take the exam to become a doctor, and then find a rich family to marry. So her grandparents tried their best to prevent Chiongkechuyenchannel from pursuing her dream, to the point where they spoke disparagingly about artists. In the end, Chiongkechuyenchannel parents decided to kick Chiongkechuyenchannel out of the house if she did not follow her grandparents' arrangements. During the extremely dark night, Chiongkechuyenchannel sadly went to her grandmother's house to stay. In the days that followed, every night, Chiongkechuyenchannel sat at the piano with so many emotions in her heart. She conveyed those emotions into the melodies, causing tears to suddenly flow from her eyes. Chiongkechuyenchannel has spent many years practicing her skills and looking for opportunities to perform on various large and small stages. and she constantly dreams of performing on big stages around the world. Everyone who watched her perform was fascinated by her melodious and emotional notes, the message of love she conveyed in her music. During the performances, the audience could not take their eyes off, and wanted to hear the sounds of the piano, along with her skillful keys. Looking at the pure and beautiful girl in a beautiful outfit at the piano has made many guys fall in love and dream of admiring her beauty. However, on the path to pursuing her dream, chiongkechuyenchannel encountered many difficulties and challenges because not everyone loves her. Many people are jealous of chiongkechuyenchannel's talent and beauty and do not hesitate to harm her. Many times chiongkechuyenchannel shed tears at her bitter fate. She thought she would collapse and give up. She has to overcome white nights to practice, facing pressure from family and society. She has sat alone many times to think, but in the end she decided not to give up. She thought she had to succeed to prove to her family, friends, it was the right decision. Because of her dream, she was ready to overcome all difficulties. Through many difficulties, no matter what happened, one day, chiongkechuyenchannel received an invitation to perform at a famous theater in a big city. It was a great opportunity for her to prove her talent in front of a large audience. On stage, chiongkechuyenchannel marked an important step in her career. Under the autumn moon stage lights, wearing a beautiful white dress, she sat on a chair and began to raise her hands to adjust the keys. Each melody, so many feelings of hardship. Many times chiongkechuyenchannel faced gossip and jealousy, so many pent-up emotions that chiongkechuyenchannel conveyed and breathed life into each melody. 2 tears began to roll down her cheeks, a small, pretty face and her white skin, combined with 2 tears, added to the beauty of the autumn moon, and it also shows how many painful emotions she has experienced, making the audience feel sorry for her. In the auditorium, there was a large audience, but everything became quiet, seemingly leaving space for the autumn moon. As soon as the music ended, the audience, without saying anything to anyone else, all stood up and applauded endlessly. Many audiences were so admiring of her performance that they shouted her name, chiongkechuyenchannel. At this time, chiongkechuyenchannel seems to be relieved of so much pressure and sadness. She felt light in her chest. She looked down at the audience, smiled brightly and bowed down to greet the audience with a grateful heart. She seemed to be immersed in happiness. She felt like she was halfway through the path of pursuing her dream. The feeling of happiness did not end until the host appeared. In her mind, she still clearly remembered the image of the audience standing up to applaud her. From that day on, the name chiongkechuyenchannel became known to many people, and she was continuously invited to perform in many places around the world. The number of her fans around the world is increasing day by day. chiongkechuyenchannel became an admired and loved piano star in many countries. Her efforts and struggles were rewarded. Those who were once jealous of her have also received appropriate lessons. Her parents and friends also regretted her thoughts. Since she announced that she would pursue her dream, her parents have continuously discriminated against her and tried to stop her. So far, this is the second time she has received love. and warmth from her family. She cried a lot in her father and mother's arms. She had the opportunity to express the long-standing resentment in her heart with her father and mother. Although Chiongkechuyenchannel has had great success in her career, Chiongkechuyenchannel has not forgotten the people who have helped her on this path. She is always grateful to her family, teachers and friends who have accompanied her throughout the process of pursuing her dream. Chiongkechuyenchannel's greatest gratitude is still for her teacher. That teacher always silently helped and encouraged her during difficult times. Having gone through so many difficulties and challenges, she was able to let go of all her worries and sorrows. Now her mind is as happy and innocent as a child. She looked up at the clear blue sky above her head. She breathed deeply in the cool air. She imagined a bright future awaiting her. She has become more mature and her thinking is more mature, and she can do more meaningful things in life. Chiongkechuyenchannel's life becomes brighter and happier than ever. She has proven that when you believe in your dreams and follow the path you have chosen, nothing is impossible. And since then, Chiongkechuyenchannel has always devoted her love and passion to music to inspire others to realize their dreams. Young people, do you see? Everyone is born with their own dreams and ambitions. However, if you have a dream, but don't realize it or pursue it, the dream is like something that you keep in the closet and never take it out to use. When you dare to dream, no matter how difficult it is, you must do it. Dare to dream. Dare to do. Dare to fail. Success is not far away from you. Wish you success.
The story ends here. The bee tells the story to wish the children a good night. Let's continue with a new week of learning. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to her channel to hear the next stories. And now the bee tells the story of hello. And see you again.